Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add MP4 video to a WordPress website. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred web browser and search for WordPress.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this web page. Here, you just need to get to the Post tab at the left side of the screen and click on All Posts. Now, select the target page you would like to edit and click on the Edit Embed. After that, you just need to get to a new line and click on the plus icon to start adding blocks. From the floating menu, click on the Browse All button and a side panel will appear on the left side. Inside it, search for Video and then select the first feature. Now you can see that this feature requires premium plan and I don't have that. But in order to upload a video, you can just click on the Upload Video button, select the target video from local storage and follow the on-screen instructions. So that's basically how you can add MP4 video to WordPress website. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.